Nimbus found now. Yes, let's play with the grass. Yeah, the gruesome twosome out again. And Clive's got it in his head. He's going to cook up like a chicken casserole, really. Would you say?
Yeah.
You know, chicken casserole,
With
plenty
wine.
of veg, red wine, all done in a nice Dutch oven. And what a beautiful night it is too. Absolutely stunning, mate. Don't think we'll be cold tonight, that's for sure. But hope the rest of you guys are having fun out there in this nice weather. Where you going, Nim? Where you going? You can see there's quite a bit of trees leaning. But thankfully our camp's not by this area. Got a bit of walk in here. So we just get into here now. This area is quite clear, which is good. Back at the same point. It's looking all right. So we'll get the kit off and then we'll go from there. Watch out, Nim. One of the most important things when you're out in the woods, I learnt this one off Bear Grylls, did I, Nimbus? Is that when you can't get in a hotel and you're in the woods, Nimbus, co-star, you going over here? No? Get your tinnies, your cans of beer and soak them, get them nice and chilled. You can use your mum's old fishnet stockings, your dad's old string vest, whatever you can get hold of. Plonk them all in there, get them under. That's going to be good. Happy days. I'm going to get a stick there. 1 second. Cracking one. What are you like? Trying to get me in that water, weren't you? Yeah, he's soaking me. So we'll just oh, I've got some, I think. Yeah, I'll give me a minute, I'll get them. some more veg in there. We've got some more carrots.
This wine's gonna hold.
Eh? Oh, yeah.
This is getting hot.
Yeah, no, it'd probably melt then. That would.
I just burnt myself on it a minute ago.
Yeah, no, it'll melt it. Nylon, in it. Let's have a look at these chickens. I've got some other stuff there. Which is a trick. Browning them off nicely. Sorted out that. Chicken's browning quite nicely.
Hey.
So Clive's just been down to get the old, can you see that? The Brew Dog Planet Pale Ale. So that's what we're drinking tonight. Easy pale ale, nice and easy. Casserole's on. Spin you around, you can see that. Nice and steady. It's going to take a while to get done, but cheers, everybody. Oh, just what's needed, that is. So we're setting ourselves up here. I don't know if you noticed, I shall. Let me just turn this around. Like that. We've got the screen up tonight, so we're going to have a movie night in the woods. Obviously wait for it to go dark. We shall watch a film whilst chilling and have that as a bit of background, slightly different. We've got the cuckoo in the background just now, which is lovely, and just embrace this lovely evening. It'll be cloudy through the night, but no rain or anything forecast, so we're not putting any tarps up again or anything. We're just going to be under here. So just now, we've collected wood, got a good few bits here. We're going to have it running. I'll turn this around again and show you if you haven't noticed. Running this like a long fire, nighttime long fire. So we've got a nice thick one down below, and we've got these that we're just going to keep moving across to keep things burning at a constant rate. And we've got more to put on when those drop off, and that gives you a nice constant heat. What have you got there, Nim? Eh, Nim? He never listens to me. But yeah, so that's the style of fire we're using tonight. Chickens are in now. We're just gonna bring everything back to the heat. Happy days. Amazing things are with these Dutch ovens. Spot on. Yeah. So, getting the bats ready.
Yeah.
Look at this, guys. That's that proper hot pot stuff, that is. Full chicken breast under there. Red wine. Oh, boy, done good again. Oh, there's some flavour in that, mate.
Isn't there?
Bloody hell, yeah. There's a little spice, just enough, right? That was, I think, on the chilli front and that,
yeah,
and the pepper. A lovely little tingle. Potatoes are done lovely as well. So we've just set up the camera for our movie night. We thought we're going to sit and eat this. It's not dark enough yet, so we're going to wait for, what time is it even? It's 8:20 now. Still light. I think we've probably got about an hour before it'll even go dark. And on my SD card, all I've got is a bit of music, which that's all right, we can play a bit of music, and Baywatch. So we might have some eye candy to watch, but the issue is the sound's not working on
Probably
it.
for the best.
Yeah, it probably is for the best, really, isn't it? So we can have some, like, just have background, silent movie night. That's what we're going with. So I'll have to download. I haven't used it for ages, so toasting the ciabattas. Toasting is exactly. Well, there's a, yeah, close line between toasting and cremating. That'll do. Oh, it's warm. I don't mind a bit of charcoal, it'll sweat our belly out, won't it? Good for you. Oh, bloody hell, that's hot.
To be fair, I think there's enough food that we don't really need the bread.
No,
Still a fucking little more.
there's plenty there. But the ciabatta's nice, isn't it?
It's actually really nice,
Might
that bread
later.
bit.
It is. Well, crispy, it actually works, doesn't it?
A bit. Give us that on.
So that chicken casserole was bob on. Yes, so just lean against my tripod, why don't you, Nimbus? Yes. You can look at me with those soft eyes, but you're not having any of our dessert. Holly Lane Red Velvet. Bit of a treat for us for our dessert, this is. Oh, you can look. Oh, the cream's everywhere. Oh, with those puppy dog eyes. Oh, yeah. Get your fingers in there, mate. Oh, it's broke, is it? Oh, look. Well, you get 2 bits then. What's that like? All right.
Good. I'm bad for a sad bod cake.
What are you doing?
Come on, have to come over.
Oh, that's sugar. I'll be up all night. Movie night in the woods, eh? How cool is that? That's us for the night. We're in our sleeping bags, under the stars. Clive is getting in there, sleeping with his dog. Night, Nimbus. Good night, all. See you all in the morning. toasty. Nimbus. So yeah, this is the second one. This is well soaked and raked. Never leave a fire, we will. You got it? There you go.
Stuff not going anywhere.
That's not going anywhere. So I'll rake that round in a minute. Job's a good one. Yeah, so that's all right. Looks okay now. Everywhere's soaked. You ready to go, mate? Is that Nimbus's breakfast in that plastic thing, his sausages? I'll get my kit on, we'll take a steady walk out. I would say pan around for the LNT, leave no trace, but obviously this is our private permission, so there's always going to be a trace. But we try and leave it as good as possible. And happy days.